In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert RAW files to JPEGs using Adobe Bridge. Whether you're a photographer looking to streamline your workflow or someone just getting started with photo editing, this guide will make the process straightforward and efficient. To begin, open Adobe Bridge and start by selecting the RAW files you want to convert. You can easily find these files stored on your computer, and you might want to preview them in Bridge to ensure you've selected the right images for conversion. Once you've selected your files, you'll need to open the Export panel. You can do this by navigating to the top menu, clicking on Window, and then choosing Export Panel from the drop-down list. This panel is your main hub for configuring how and where your images will be exported. Now, it's time to create a new preset, which is essentially a saved set of instructions for the export process. In the Export panel, click on Create New Preset. A dialog will appear, offering several options to customize your export settings to suit your specific needs. Alternatively, if you need customized settings specific to a project, choose Custom Export. The first important setting to configure is Export To. Here, you can choose either a specific folder on your computer or use the original location of the RAW files. Selecting a specific folder can be helpful if you want all your processed images organized in one place. Next, you'll choose your image format. In this case, select JPEG or JPG from the available options. JPEG is a widely used format that compresses image data, making it perfect for sharing online and archiving your work without consuming too much storage space. Once you've chosen JPEG, adjust the quality settings according to your preferences. A higher quality setting retains more detail but increases the file size, whereas a lower setting reduces the file size but might compromise detail. You also have the option to resize your images under image size scaling if needed, which can be useful if you're preparing images for a specific display resolution or platform. Consider setting options for metadata, which is the information embedded in your files about how, when, and where your photos were shot. You can choose to include all metadata, exclude it, or apply specific templates. Including metadata can be especially useful for maintaining copyright information or camera settings. Once you've saved your new preset, you can initiate the export process by dragging the selected RAW files into that preset within the Export panel. Alternatively, use a right-click approach. Right-click on your selected files, navigate to Export To, and choose your custom preset. Once the export begins, Adobe Bridge will handle the processing and convert your RAW files into JPEGs, directing them to the folder you specified. After the export process completes, it's important to check the output JPEGs. You'll want to ensure the quality matches your expectations and verify that the color space and dimensions align with your requirements. And that's it. You've successfully converted your RAW files to JPEGs in Adobe Bridge. This process not only helps in organizing your images, but also makes them easier to share and store. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.